Good day from Martin at Australia Towbars Performance. Today we had the pleasure to work on a Jaguar XF where we installed a factory Jaguar tow bar. I'll show you how it looks. So that's the tow bar hitch there in place. It's not a swan neck type, it's almost like a swan neck but without the actual goose on it or swan on it. Very easy to attach in. All you have to do, gently push it in, then the tow bar is there. There is a tiny little cutout on the bottom of the diffuser, which is hardly visible, and you've got your electrics right here. This one comes with a 7-pin round plug. That's how it looks from the side. The tow bar is almost invisible when it's detached, and that's how Jaguar designs them from the factory. The brand name is Brink. It does come with the your chain attachments at the bottom. It's just visible there. So there's been quite a lot of inquiries about the Jaguar XF tow bars. We've been struggling to get one here on the Sunshine Coast. Finally we've got it. So if you do need a tow bar for your Jaguar XF, together with the factory wiring, which must be coded for it to operate, feel free to contact our friendly team at Australia Towbars Performance to get your Jaguar XF sorted with a tow bar and factory wiring kit. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.